Hello everyone, I'm Era Porwal and I'm a student who is pursuing masters in technology in IT field, and today I'm here to share my knowledge on the topic peer-to-peer networking. You may have recently seen people talking about peer-to-peer network, but do you know what actually peer-to-peer networking is? Peer-to-peer is a way of communicating directly between two parties with no third party in between. A peer to peer network is a simple network of computers. It first came into existence in the late 1970s. Now, let us talk about the history of P2P networks. Before the development of P2P, UCNet came into existence in the 1979. The network enabled the users to read and post messages. Unlike the forums we use today, it did not have a central server. It used to copy the new messages to all the servers of the node. After this, Napster was developed, which was a file sharing P2P software. It could be used to share audio files as well. The software was shut down due to the illegal sharing of files, but the concept of network sharing, that is P2P, became popular. Nodes. Here, each computer acts as a node for file sharing within the formed network. Here, each node acts as a server, and thus there is no central server to the network. This allows the sharing of a huge amount of data. The tasks are equally divided amongst the nodes. Each node connected in the network shares an equal workload. For the network to stop working, all the nodes need to individually stop working. This is because each node works independently. There are three types of P2P networks. They are unstructured P2P networks, structured P2P networks, and hybrid P2P networks. Unstructured P2P networks. In this type of P2P network, each device is able to make an equal contribution. This network is easy to build as devices can be connected randomly in the network, but being unstructured, it becomes difficult to find content. Structured P2P networks. It is designed using the software which creates a virtual layer in order to put the nodes in a specific structure. These are not easy to set up but can give easy access to users to the content. Hybrid P2P network combines the features of both P2P network and client server architecture. An example of such a network is to find a node using the central server. Features of P2P networks include these networks do not involve a large number of nodes, usually less than 12. All the computers in the network store their own data, but this data is accessible by the group. Unlike client server networks, P2P uses resources and also provides them. This results in additional resources if the number of nodes increases. It requires specialized softwares. It allows resource sharing among the network. Since the nodes act as a server also, there is a constant threat of attack. Almost all the OS today support P2P networks. How to use a P2P network efficiently? Firstly, secure your network via privacy in solutions. Design a strategy that suits the underlying architecture in order to manage applications and underlying data. Keep a check on the cybersecurity threat which might prevail in the network. Invest in good quality software that can sustain attack and prevent the network from being exploited. Update your software regularly. Advantages of using a P2P network. Network is easy to maintain because each node is independent of each other. Since each node acts as a server, therefore the cost of the central server is saved. Adding, deleting, and repairing nodes in this network is easy. Some disadvantages of P2P networks include because of no central server, data is always vulnerable to get lost because of no backup. It becomes difficult to secure the complete network because each node is independent. Thank you.